What's up guys? So I've been using the OnePlus 8T for a few days now, and there's some pros and cons I want to talk about in this phone. But before that, let's not miss the unboxing experience that OnePlus gave us with the Media Kit box. Let's go! So now let's start with the box first. Okay, so as we've seen, the usual red Media Kit box with a new slogan. Ultra stops at nothing. You can see. Ultra stops at nothing. Okay, now let's slide it open. Oh, okay. It's kind of heavy, the box. Alright, so slide it open. I see the opening here. So how do I open it up? Oh, how? Ooh, wow, so you just flip it, open it up like that. So this opening reminds me of the Lamborghini edition, remember? Rain? Right. So this opening is awesome. Once you open it up, you get hello. Hello there. And then you get this red ribbon here. And then let's take it open. Hello. And let's see what's inside. Inside, you have the OnePlus Reviewer's Guidebook. Okay, so this is the favorite time for me to unwrap it. So wait, is the mic on? Okay. Cut. Now I get to unwrap it. Okay, listen to the sound. Okay. Yeah, so that's the unwrapping experience. Now let's look into the reviewer's guidebook. So every time OnePlus will send the reviewer guidebook with the Media Kit for us to review what's important and what's the key point of the phone itself. So we got the more efficient, more comfortable display design, and then we got a Warp Charge 65. Okay, so I'll set this aside first and we'll see what's inside the box. Alright, so on the left side here, we got the actual OnePlus 8T box. This is the box that you guys will get when you guys purchase the OnePlus 8T. Okay, and then this is a set of OnePlus back cover, the sandstone back cover, and also this back cover is kind of special. It's like a futuristic design, and then it's called the Quantum Bumper Case Cyborg Cyan. Cyborg Cyan. Okay, let's put it aside, and then now just look into the OnePlus 8T. Okay, so once again, let's go into the ASMR mode, the unwrapping mode time. Open it up. Yeah! So, alright, so we unwrap it. Is it very nice? The whole sound. Okay, let's open it up. It's quite tight. The whole packaging, the whole box is like vacuum tight. So it got this premium box vacuum covered design. And here you go, OnePlus. And then you got the OnePlus card. Okay, you got the invitation letter. Let's see what does the CEO of OnePlus say this time. Friend, the fact that you're reading this proves that you're looking for something different, something more. The OnePlus 8T is more than a phone. It's an invitation to join a movement of rebels who ask, can you do better? Instead of, is this good enough? Okay, OnePlus from founder and CEO of OnePlus, Pete. Okay, Pete, we got you there. Alright, so let's continue. Here inside, we got the quick start guide, we got the stickers, safety information, alright. And then we got the phone here. We got the phone here. And then also inside the box, you got the never settle silicone back cover, the Warp Charge 65 charging brick, and also this red cable. And then this red cable is a little bit thicker, and the charger also a little bit thicker and bigger as well. So OnePlus has been releasing its flagship killer, which is the OnePlus 8 Pro, and also the great budget smartphone, the OnePlus Note, and now the OnePlus 8T, which is placed in a position between both of them with the price of... Okay, so let's check out on design wise. It still has the same inputs and outputs as well as the signature silent rocker here on the side. So since last year, the T series tried to be different from the other models, especially on their camera modules, which is the same case here. As you can see, the camera housing is a larger rectangular-ish camera module, which is not the normal center linear camera housing, which makes it look more premium. Now, as the housing went larger, it also has more camera lenses in it. It houses a quad camera setup with dual LED flashes. The quad cameras are the 48 megapixel main camera, which is the same Sony IMX586 from the OnePlus 8 and also from the 7T. But also a new 60 megapixel ultra wide angle camera that can shoot at 123 degrees, and a 5 megapixel macro lens, and also a 2 megapixel monochrome lens. And I've taken some picture sample with the cameras. The pictures are more contrasty on the colors with the improved image processing software updates, and I kind of like the dynamic range on the new 123 degrees ultra wide angle lens too. So overall, it could capture pretty great pictures. Okay, so we've done talking about the camera. Now the next great changes is on the display itself. Although it has the same 6.55-inch Fluid AMOLED display as the OnePlus 8 and also the OnePlus 7T, this time it has a smoother 120Hz refresh rate, which makes the whole display movement and viewing enjoyment feel super smooth and nice. And also it has a faster response rate as well. And the best part of it is this display, it has these thin bezels that just makes it super nice to stream videos or playing games on it with the small selfie camera notch on the corner. Now next on will be the battery. Remember I mentioned about the Warp Charge 65 you get in box just now? Well, this is where it pairs with the new 4500 mAh power battery, which is larger than the OnePlus 8 and also the OnePlus 7T. So with the Warp Charge 65, you get to charge up from 0 to 100% in just around 35 minutes. So it's quite impressive, while the battery can last me about a full day of usage with the always on display turned on. And if you ask me, Joshua, with the new Warp Charge 65, will this shorten the battery lifespan? Well, you don't have to worry about that because OnePlus has this optimized charging feature which will limit the battery to charge up to 90% and only continue the charging activity when you're about to wake up. This will save up your battery lifespan longer, like what I mentioned about in the ColorOS 11. Okay, so now let's talk about the chipset. The chipset on the OnePlus 8T, it sports a Snapdragon 8655G chipset coupled with up to 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. And also, this is the first OnePlus phone that got the Oxygen OS based on Android 11, which explains why it has a similar battery optimized feature like the ColorOS 11. It got some changes in the animations as well as the always on display customization. And these are the main changes for the OnePlus 8T compared to the OnePlus 7T and also the OnePlus 8. So now let's take a look at the cons, which is the dislike that I don't like about this phone. Okay, first thing first, on the display itself, although it has a 120Hz refresh rate display, but the brightness, it can't go too dim, which is not good for low light usage. And the next thing will be on the charging. Although it has the Warp Charge 65, it has a larger battery, but it still doesn't come with a wireless charging. Maybe for most of you, these are not the factor that will affect you guys. So let me know, what do you think about the OnePlus 8T? What do you like about and don't like about this phone in the comments below, and I'll reply you guys one by one and discuss it there. And remember to give a thumbs up, like this video, and also click subscribe, hit the bell icon to always get our latest video updates. And also don't forget to subscribe or follow my Instagram. And we'll see you guys next time. Luck on and bye.